What if the most powerful investment you could make isn't in stocks, real estate, or crypto, but in something you already have, your own financial knowledge? Imagine unlocking a secret compound interest for your mind, where every budgeting tip, every saving habit, every investing insight doesn't just add up, it multiplies. The choices you make today with your financial knowledge could create opportunities and freedom you never thought possible tomorrow. Are you ready to start compounding your financial wisdom? Most people think managing money is just about earning more, but financial knowledge works differently. Each concept you learn, budgeting, saving, investing, understanding interest, doesn't just add up. It transforms how you see money, your decisions, and the opportunities in front of you. Imagine learning one key principle today. Suddenly it makes sense why you should save before you spend, why compound interest grows wealth faster than a paycheck alone, and how smart decisions amplify every dollar you earn. That's the real power of compounding knowledge. Your understanding multiplies, and your financial choices improve in ways that seem almost effortless, but only if you connect the dots and apply what you learn. Now, let's talk about the snowball effect. One new insight about money can suddenly unlock the value of everything you've learned before. For example, understanding compound interest doesn't just help your savings grow, it makes you see why paying off debt early matters, why investing consistently beats trying to time the market, and why small, smart financial habits matter more than you think. Each piece of knowledge connects to another, creating a chain reaction. Small, consistent actions like saving a bit each week, tracking expenses, or learning one investing principle can lead to massive results over time. This is financial leverage. The more you learn and apply, the faster your money works for you, and the easier it becomes to make decisions that multiply your wealth. So, what does this snowball of financial knowledge actually do for you? It gives you real advantages in your life and career. With deeper understanding, you make smarter decisions, whether it's negotiating a raise, investing in your first asset, or managing your monthly budget without stress. Financial knowledge also increases your adaptability. When the economy changes or unexpected expenses arise, you're not scrambling. You respond with confidence, knowing which actions multiply your results. And it's not just about money. Your choices, relationships, and long-term goals all benefit. Each insight you gain compounds, giving you clarity, freedom, and control over your life that others miss. Now that we see the power of compounding financial knowledge, how do you actively grow it? Start by being strategic with what you learn. Read books on investing, budgeting, and money mindset. Listen to podcasts or follow experts whose insights challenge and expand your thinking. Diversify your learning. Explore topics that may seem unrelated at first, because connections often appear in unexpected ways. Reflect on what you learn. Take notes, review past decisions, and ask yourself how new knowledge can improve them. And remember, don't try to absorb everything at once. Focus on quality, integrate insights, and apply them consistently. Small, deliberate actions compound into major results over time. Imagine your future self, confident, financially savvy, and free. Every habit, every insight, every small decision you make today compounds into a life full of opportunities. By committing to continuous learning and applying what you know, you move from simply managing money to making it work for you. You're not just a consumer of information, you become an insightful creator, turning knowledge into results. The choices you make now, saving, investing, understanding your finances, set the stage for exponential growth. Your wealth, your freedom, and your impact all multiply over time. This is the power of compounding financial knowledge, and it's available to anyone who starts today. Your financial freedom, your confidence, and your opportunities are waiting. Take the first step now, and let your knowledge snowball into a future you control. Start today. Invest in your financial knowledge. Apply what you learn consistently, and watch your money and your life grow exponentially. Remember, it's not about luck or a bigger paycheck. It's about connecting the dots, building habits, and compounding your understanding over time. Your financial freedom, confidence, and opportunities are waiting. but only if you take action now. And if you want to continue this journey, learn more strategies and transform your finances step by step, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Together, we'll unlock the full power of your financial potential.